Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your base Red Alert 2 installation and backing up the entire game folder so you can revert. Once that's done, place the updated Yuri mod files in the same directory and run the installer or extractor. Make sure to apply the correct patch for your RA2 YR version. If Windows blocks files, set compatibility to Windows XP mode and run as administrator. These steps prevent version mismatches and file corruption before you proceed to deeper configuration. Once the mod is placed, you edit the core ini files to integrate Yuri content, update rules, ini for unit stats and art, ini for sprites, and check that the mod loader order matches the README. You should also configure DXWND or your preferred wrapper to correct resolution and palette problems. This ensures visuals render correctly in modern systems. Next, copy custom maps into the Maps folder and test single-player missions to confirm assets load. These adjustments control balance and display behavior. You now launch Yuri Red Alert II and run quick skirmishes to validate units, scripts, and audio. If you see odd behavior, adjust game. CFG and the mod inis for AI difficulty and game speed. Small changes can fix scripting order or balance issues. Make sure to test multiplayer with friends only after local validation. If the game crashes or assets fail, restore your backup, confirm the mod and base game versions match, and check the error log for missing files. This single troubleshooting step solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.